In this video, I will give an example how to adjust mesh materials and create a viewer scene for that mesh. The final goal is to create a viewer that has a similar look to Sketchfab. The final look of a scene is primarily affected by the environment, surface materials, and the lights. And we will be looking at modifying those. Before we get started, first import the mesh and the HDR environment map. I recommend a high contrast map for the purposes of making this viewer. Let's make the main viewer scene and add our mesh and the environment map to it. This looks like a machine made out of metal. I will assume the hull may have similar properties as to a hull of a car, so I will make those materials to be clear coat. Note, this is purely an artistic choice that I made with selecting the clear coat material. I will proceed to modify the rest of the materials. I will also modify glass. Glass is naturally a metal and it is very smooth. Now for the glowing materials. Once all materials are modified, let us add a light and an ability for that light to cast a shadow on the ground. Let's make the background to show a dark gradient while keeping the reflections of the sky. And finally, adjust the bloom. Let's make some final adjustments to the materials in the scene. Thank you for watching.